Hi.
Oh, you're the one that with the Free Palestine.
What do you think about Israel bombing Gaza and killing all the civilians?
I don't think nothing. I think they should have it. I think that what?
You said you think they should be bombed?
Yeah.
The innocent lives. Are the kids being bombed in Gaza? Is that okay?
Yeah.
The kid... maybe you didn't hear me. I'll ask you again. Are the kids...
Yeah, you know why? Okay, yalla, bye.
Hi.
Palestine.
Hi, nice to meet you. I don't even know you. Why are you being like that? You think it's funny that Israel's bombing innocent lives in Gaza?
Your baby's here.
You think it's funny?
Yeah, it's very funny.
Are you even human?
I'm human, you see. I'm not robot. This baby is a...
Hi.